students, my name is Professor Komal Birare. In this lecture we will see that how we can generate a string by using the grammar and how we can form the left derivation tree as well as right derivation tree. So this is the example. This example said that by using this grammar what kind of a string is generated or what kind of a language is generated by using this grammar. So first of all, this is the non-terminal symbols, this is the terminal symbols, starting symbol, and this is the production rule. So by using this production rule, which kind of language or which kind of string is generated. So first step is to take the production rule which is starting from S. So I have taken this production rule, that is S tends to AB. So for A I have already have the element A. So instead of A I have put the A here, that is A tends to A. So I have kept, instead of A I have kept here small a dot B. So next for B I have already the elements in a production rule, that is a small b. So I removed this capital B and instead of a capital B I have kept that is small b. Okay, the new production rule is S tends to AB. So language generated from the grammar G2, that is L of G2, that is the language generated from the grammar is A comma B. So this is the example. So next example, this is the non-terminal symbols, terminal symbols, and this is the production rule. The difference between this production rule and this production rule is that in this production rule, for a single element, for a single A, there are two values are present, where here for A the single values are present. So it means that by using this production rule we can generate the multiple language or we can generate the multiple string. So we can generate first string, that is S tends to AB. So I have given S tends to AB. I kept value of A is the A, value of A is the A, and value of B is the B, value of B is the B. So I substituted these two values in AB. So I get the new string, that is S tends to AB. This is the first string. And the second string, so S tends to AB, S tends to AB. So I have kept AA instead of A. So I have used first value of A and first value of B here. So first value of A is the AA and the first value of B is the BB, AA BB. Okay. So for this production rule again I am keeping A instead of A and instead of B, B, that is A and B, B for B. So the new production rule is generated, that is S tends to AA BB. So these are the new string which is generated by using this grammar. The next topic is that left and right derivation tree. The left derivation tree says that it is obtained by applying production to the leftmost variable in each step. And the right derivation tree is it is obtained by applying the production to the rightmost variable in each step. So students, we will see this topic in the next lecture. Okay, thank you.